DJI has officially confirmed that support for the Osmo Pocket series will come to an end on February 5, 2026. This means firmware updates, official repairs, and service assistance will no longer be available after that date. For creators who have relied on this small but powerful camera, it's the quiet farewell to one of the most loved, ready-to-shoot devices ever made. But while one chapter closes, the next one is already forming, with the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4 beginning to step into the spotlight. Recent leaks have given enthusiasts the clearest look yet at what's believed to be DJI's next-generation pocket gimbal camera. The latest image, reportedly from reliable insider sources, shows two pocket-sized gimbal cameras placed casually beside a takeaway coffee cup. No fancy setup, no corporate polish, just a real-world testing scenario. That authenticity alone makes this leak more believable than most. It looks like a moment straight out of DJI's headquarters in Shenzhen, where engineers and testers could easily be seen experimenting with prototypes during a casual coffee break. At first glance, the Pocket 4 looks noticeably slimmer and sleeker than the Pocket 3. The edges seem more refined, and the overall design carries a cleaner, more modern profile. One standout addition is the pair of physical buttons located just below the display. This change may sound minor, but for creators, it's a huge usability improvement. Rather than relying entirely on touchscreen gestures, these tactile buttons should offer faster access to crucial functions like zoom, focus, or gimbal adjustments, something fans have been requesting since the Pocket 2 era. The screen itself looks slightly larger than its predecessors, not drastically so, but enough to make interaction more comfortable during filming. This design evolution feels like DJI is listening closely to its user base. The ergonomics appear improved, the balance seems better distributed, and the body looks more efficient internally. There are strong hints that battery life has been extended and heat management upgraded, two factors that have historically limited long recording sessions. The Osmo Pocket 3 already impressed with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, and early reports suggest the Pocket 4 will continue using a similar sensor size, possibly refined with a 20mm equivalent lens for slightly wider and sharper results. The real excitement, however, lies in performance upgrades. While the Pocket 3 topped out at 4K recording at 60 frames per second, leaks suggest the Pocket 4 might push that ceiling up to 4K at 120 frames per second. If true, that's a game changer, placing this tiny handheld camera in a category typically reserved for high-end filmmaking tools. The gimbal remains 3-axis, but improvements to its stabilization algorithm could bring smoother, smarter movement tracking. Another interesting shift might come with the control system. Rather than the small joystick of the Pocket 3, the new model could feature a dial-style interface for faster and more precise adjustments. The leaked photos details add credibility to its authenticity. The takeaway cup bears the logo of Luckin Coffee, a popular Chinese chain with over 10,000 stores across China, and notably one located near DJI Sky City headquarters in Shenzhen. That tiny clue hints that the image could have been taken during internal field testing, possibly by someone involved in DJI's product evaluation process. For those wondering whether it's worth waiting for the Pocket 4, the answer appears to be yes. The device has reportedly cleared FCC certification, meaning a US release is likely imminent. Rumors suggest an official unveiling between mid-March and April 2026. Considering the enhancements hinted at, improved controls, refined design, and potentially groundbreaking video capabilities, the upgrade could easily justify the wait. But the story doesn't stop with the Pocket 4. In a move that caught nearly everyone off guard, DJI quietly submitted 7 brand new products for US certification at the end of 2025. These weren't simple refreshes or minor updates, they were entirely new devices, a strategic push that arrived just before a major wave of US regulatory crackdowns targeting foreign-made drones. This move shows DJI's ability to anticipate changes in global policy and adapt its product release strategy accordingly. One of the standout products in this lineup is the DJI Avata 360. This isn't an iteration of the existing Avata series, it's an entirely new concept, a true 360-degree flying camera drone. Unlike traditional drones that rely on external 360 rigs or clunky camera mounts, the Avata 360 is purpose-built from the ground up for immersive video capture. Using dual 1/1.1-inch sensors, it can reportedly shoot stunning 8K spherical footage at 50 frames per second, offering smooth, detailed visuals with remarkable flexibility in post-production. Even more impressively, the camera module itself can rotate, allowing users to switch seamlessly between full 360 capture and forward-facing FPV mode with the push of a button. No landing or camera swaps required. Battery life also receives a massive upgrade, with a 38.67 Wh pack that outperforms the Avata 2 by roughly 26%. Combined with OcuSync 4 transmission and obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology, this drone isn't built for casual hobbyists. It's made for creators, filmmakers, and professionals seeking cinematic VR content without the limitations of current 360 setups. Price estimates place it between $999 and $1,299, with an expected international release early in 2026. Another clever addition to DJI's ecosystem is the Osmo Frame Tab, a tiny but surprisingly impactful accessory. It's designed for solo creators using the Osmo Mobile 8P, and serves as a wireless remote that eliminates the need to touch your phone during recording. A simple tap can start or stop filming, adjust framing, or trigger supported functions, all without breaking focus. It's the kind of understated innovation that changes workflows quietly but permanently. At a projected price of around $50 to $70, it promises to become an indispensable tool for vloggers, fitness instructors, or anyone who films themselves regularly. DJI's next gimbal evolution, the RS5, also targets professionals. It reportedly features a 58% larger battery capacity than the RS4, jumping to 33.29 watt-hours, allowing much longer operation on set. There's also a rumored integration of LiDAR autofocus directly into the gimbal arm, enabling precise focusing even with manual or vintage lenses. No external modules or cumbersome setups required. Built from carbon fiber, it's around 20% lighter than the RS4, but retains the same payload strength, making it a strong upgrade candidate for filmmakers using heavy rigs. On the mobile side, DJI's Osmo Mobile 8P Pro is said to push stabilization even further, using stronger motors that can handle today's heavier smartphones, up to 300 grams, and potentially introducing LiDAR-based subject tracking for more reliable motion capture. Expected to launch between March and April 2026 for about $159 to $179. It's positioned for creators who film fast-moving scenes or sports content, rather than casual vloggers. Rounding out the lineup is clarification on the DJI mic range. No new Mini 2 is coming anytime soon. The current DJI Mic Mini and DJI Mic 3, both launched in 2025, remain the go-to options for creators, offering excellent battery life, compact design, and improved audio quality for under $100 in the case of the Mini. However, looming over all of DJI's 2026 product lineup is a major challenge: the new U.S. policy that restricts the sale of foreign-made drones and components. Although many of DJI's new products have received FCC approval, approval alone no longer guarantees availability. New devices may require exemptions from agencies like the Department of Defense or Homeland Security to be sold in the United States. The good news for creators is that existing DJI products remain legal and functional, at least for now. Firmware support is likely to continue, though the future is uncertain. Outside the US, however, launches are expected to proceed normally across Europe, Asia, Canada, and Australia. So for international users, there's no need to panic or rush to buy. As 2026 unfolds, DJI appears ready to navigate both opportunity and adversity with bold innovation. From handheld gimbal cameras to 360 drones and next-generation filmmaking tools. Despite the regulatory turbulence, it's clear the company is not slowing down. The coming months promise a wave of exciting releases that could redefine how creators capture the world, one product at a time.